So here I am with one of my students on a Zoom call, one-on-one Zoom coaching lesson. She needed help with a pattern she was working on, a torso sloper with some fisheye darts and so on. And so we had a one-on-one session, and even though she's thousands of miles away, we were able to really have an amazing, constructive lesson thanks to modern technology. Let me know if I can help you with anything, and I would love to help you out. See you on Zoom. So you start by pinning center front. You pin center front, right, and then you start pinning your sightseeing. Chances are you got, besides this extra fullness here, you might have extra fullness and you might have an extra gap right here. Okay, so what you do, that gap, you can actually create a dart there. If it's a big, so if you have a lot of fullness, a lot of extra gap, turn that into a dart. That's it. So you have one dart here, and then the fisheye dart. That'll give you a nice shape